Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to program your Homelink buttons on your BMW to your garage door opener. Now I know there's already a lot of videos, titled and supposedly cover this, but almost all of those only cover the very simple case where you don't have a rolling code opener. And what we're going to do here is, since both of my garage doors do use rolling codes, I'm going to show you how to do those extra steps to make sure that this ends up working for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn the car on. So you'll just want to hit that ignition button once, and obviously you can see everything light up and say, hey, your ignition's on. Okay, now we'll locate the 3 Homelink buttons right at the bottom of the mirror here. And if we hold buttons 1 and 3 for 20 seconds, that's supposed to clear all of the codes in the mirror unit. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We see that the Homelink light has turned on. And now it's blinking, so all our codes should be clear. So you can see I'm holding button 1, holding button 2. Neither of my garage doors are starting to move. So we've successfully cleared all the codes. So now, if you have a non-rolling code garage door, what you do is you bring your remote up to the mirror unit and you just hold the button on the mirror unit that you want to program to, and the send button on the remote that's already programmed at the same time. So if I do that, right, the door is moving because this remote is paired to the door. You can see now it's blinking quickly, which means that the Homelink unit has the code from here. And if this was not a rolling code garage door, when I hit this button, it would automatically go up. But since this is a rolling code unit, well, that doesn't work. So what do you do now? Since I have a rolling code garage door opener, the next thing I need to do is I need to hit this learn button on my garage door opener unit. And this can be a variety of colors. It just happens to be purple on mine, and there's also yellow. But after I hit that, then I have 30 seconds to get back to the car and press that garage door button 3 times. Okay, so I've hit the learn button on the garage door opener, and now I'm going to press this button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now you can see my garage door open, so it's now paired. Now I'm free to go ahead and program the other 2 buttons. Obviously, since only this first button has a program on it right now, I don't need to hold buttons 1 and 3 to clear any programs. But let's just say that I had something over here already and I wanted to reprogram over it. Well, I could just press and hold that button down for 20 seconds, and that should clear the program on just that button. So you don't always have to hold buttons 1 and 3 because sometimes you don't want to clear every single code stored in the mirror. So I hope that helps and makes things a little bit easier for those of you with rolling codes.